Now that we got all our main ingredients here added into our pan, I'm just coming in with some barbecue sauce. We've got our hot dog ends in here, some baked beans, some chili. We've got a little bit of cheese sauce, and now I'm adding in some onions. I'm gonna put in some freshly minced garlic. Just like that, yummy. A little bit of ketchup for sweetness. Marty likes the Heinz Simply, but that is not the one I bought today. Some French's yellow mustard, you can't go wrong. Perfect. To sweeten it up a bit, we're gonna add in some dark brown sugar, just to taste. All right, we're just gonna put in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce for some tanginess. Ooh, I love the smell of it. A little bit more onion powder. Can never have too many onions. And garlic, which is just onion and garlic, good to lower the heart rate, the cholesterol. Perfect. And since we're doing the healthy version today, I got the no salt Tony's Creole seasoning. Ooh, love the way this smells. All right, let's get to mixing, y'all. This is a backyard barbecue favorite. Oop, it's a little thick, so you gotta be using a strong spoon when you're mixing. You gotta have a strong arm. It's a bit of a workout, but it is one of our absolute favorites here. Ooh, those beans, they almost like make a noise like, you know, a washboard when people would play that in the old days as a musical instrument? The beans give me that kind of feeling of the texture when I'm stirring them around. I just love it. And look at how good this is looking. It's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be tangy, it's gonna be savory, it's gonna have lots of protein with these hot dog ends. You can just buy those at Walmart or whatever grocery store you're going to, whatever's on sale. All right, this is looking good. Perfection. All right, we're just gonna come in with some sharp cheddar. Mo cheddar, mo better. That's what I always say. This is the great value because it is indeed a great value. Oop, I think I'm gonna need just a little bit more. Perfection. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Oh, okay, we're gonna use the whole 2-pound bag to give it that nice, yummy, cheesy crust. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we just had this in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna bring my green onions in. Ooh, cut these on top. Now it's a salad. Perfect. Now a scooper might be better, but I'm gonna try and get this with my spatula. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Cheesy, sweetie, meaty deliciousness. I'm gonna get some of this cheese crust. Oh my goodness. Oh, ooh. Get that right there. Y'all, this looks so good. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so good. You've gotta try it.